everyone, Tracy here again. My video that I had made after I had created the last video, it was corrupted, and so everything is open, but I want to go ahead and show you what I got from my March Secret Not Secret kit and for the prize pack. So I'll show you the prize pack first. So this is what I got. So for the main item, I would say, is this beautiful freckled fawn Traveler's Notebook cover. And I have several of their covers, and I love them. I am not disappointed. And they're, when I've ordered them, I've gotten some really good deals. I don't know, I'm just very impressed with them, and I would continue to buy from them. And then there's this Traveler's Notebook insert. And this one is from Webster's Pages, and I haven't had anything but from Webster's Pages, so I was pretty excited to get that. It fits perfectly in there. And for those people that don't know about Traveler's Notebook, you can put 4 inserts in here. You could, as long as they're not too fat, but you know, I think I usually fit about 3 because mine end up being pretty fat by the time I'm done with it. And then this was also in there. So this is from Pattern Happy Paper and Craft, and it's called Color Me, and it has 36 sheets, and it has 12 different designs and 4 sheets of each one. So let me flip through and let you see what kind of designs. Has those stars, and then these happy faces. This is nice. These are really good for layering, you know, because I like some black and white. And that's the thing about the Kit Club. When you're a member of the Kit Club and you participate in the parties that they have every month, you know, your style starts to show through, and Christina pays attention to that. You also have a little profile that you fill out to let her know your wants, your likes and dislikes, but it's really nice to know because she gets to know each one of us, you know, individually. Even though there are, I don't know, 100 plus people in the club right now. These flowers are pretty, and those as well. And of course, those are like, I don't know why it only goes to 25, probably because it's all there's room for. Anyway, candles and the squares. So that was my prize pack. Thank you, Christina, for that. And then here, I would say this is my March 2018 kit. And of course, everything is open. I'm going to start off with this, the mixed media. I don't have any of the Nuvo embellishment mousse, but it's called lemon, let's see, mousse lemon sorbet. So look how shiny it is. So I'm thinking it's like a light gold. To me it looks like a light gold. That's what I'm going to call it. Well, I can't get it open. I don't want to like rip it all up because I don't want it to dry out. So I can't wait to try this out. And then most everything here is from the Here and There. So let's go with the paper first. And you know, because I just got back from my trip, I'm sure that's the reason why she went ahead and sent this, which is, you know, because she knows me. So because I didn't say to send this first. In fact, I wanted to see if I could get the One Canoe 2 collection as well, which I'm sure I'll end up getting it a little bit later if it's still available. Anyway, so this is from Crepe Paper. It's called Here and There, and these are called postcards. And then it has this beautiful red, and it's kind of a pinky kind of, I don't know, it's not white on the background. And this is from Oasis Bathing Suits. It's called Sunday. And then it has this yellow, I call it the Charlie Brown zigzag design. And this one I absolutely love because we usually do take the train or the subway, whatever city we're in, and that's exactly what the map looks like. It looks just like that. You just got to go by the color. But this one is called Metropolitan, and it has pink background with taxi cabs all over. I don't usually go for this kind of paper other than a layer, but I do like this, so it would be interesting to see what I can come up with that. I like this because this looks like you're looking out over in the airplane over fields that we're flying over. And then I absolutely love this. This is called Scenic View because I love black and white. And this one is called Adventurist. It's got all kinds of definitions. Looks like it kind of, I don't know, I could cut it in half because this is the other side. Let's see, what is this called? Adventurous. It's pink with green leaves. I don't know, prawns. I don't know what exactly those are. And then this one is called Tour Guide. I really like this because then you can pinpoint, you know, like where we went. And so probably we'll use this side. And then the other side has the arrows. It's green on green. I love this one, City Views. We saw these little Vespas all over Italy, so, and I even brought back a little souvenir of a Vespa. So I will probably be taking a picture of my souvenir and putting it on this paper. And then this one, this side has all the little labels. It has words on it about travel. This is from Wild Heart. Now, I haven't received any paper from Wild Heart, and oh my goodness, I love it. This is gorgeous. Kind of looks like tire tracks, but it's in beautiful colors. And then the color blocking. Oh my goodness. I love it. Of course, all the colors, you know, the thing about crepe paper is their colors all coordinate from collection to collection. So I like to keep all my crepe paper together because whatever color I decide to use, I know I can find it within any of their collections. And then this one is called Days with all the sunglasses and then the green with the pink lines through it. Alright, so and there was one other paper. It was here. It was this one. And this one is from Auburn Lane. And it was number 4. Of course, it had the beautiful black and white, but I love this newsprint. I love, love, love. And because my other kit was Auburn Lane, I went ahead and put it in that. So, let me show you, whoops, what else I got. Ugh. Let's go through this. This is from Vibe Studio. They're alphabet stickers. I was impressed of how many vowels there are. There are so many. And this looks just like, you know, on the board at the airport or even at the train station of the city that you're going to. So I love this. Love, 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 love it. Perfect for the travel thing. These are thin little papers. It's great for journaling spots, and I thought it was perfect for the traveler's notebook because it is so thin and it doesn't add any bulk to that. And then there is the envelopes from here and there. And to me, when I look at this, I thought, oh, these would be really nice to use in a mini album. And I thought about making a mini album for my daughter that went with me, but it's a secret. So because this is a secret kit club, I know you guys will keep a secret. So, so there. And I don't think she watches my video, so she's not going to have a clue unless her sister tells her. All right? But I know she'll keep a secret. All right, then there is the ephemera pieces, and there's 40 of them. And it has like Statue of Liberty and Big Bend, and so I still have pictures from all these places that I've traveled. Oh, here's the, oh, looks like Mexico. Huh. I haven't really looked at this very well, but this is great. There is also, I know this is kind of mishmash. I'm sorry, it's not very well organized because I threw it all to the side because I thought, oh, the video was done, and then when it was corrupted, and I thought, oh, and I got to redo it. Now I get to redo it. It's an honor. So here's some 6x6 papers, and I know this all came from the Here and There. I love that. Oh, I love wood. It's got all the colors. Awesome. And then we have the rub-ons. Very cool. I know that the rub-ons have gotten better over time. And then this one are some puffy stickers. When I see this, it reminds me of some, I took pictures of some of the keys that we got when we were on the trip, because I was surprised that some of them actually had keys that you had to put through the lock to turn. But one of them had a tag on it that was so heavy that we had to do rock, paper, scissors, and who was going to carry it because it was so heavy. And my daughter lost, and so she had to carry it the first day. And then the next day, you know, it was my turn to carry it, and I just left mine at the front desk. I thought, you know what, this is crazy. And I have a picture of it. So more than likely, I know that's what's going to go there. Oh, and there's a Vespa. All right. And then the best weekend, beautiful, here, there, vacation. Perfect. These are puffy. They're gold. And they're great. All right, so that is that. And then my goodies inside here are this is an acrylic piece. It's a green camera with a heart through the middle. And I don't know where she got that, but I like it. And then this beautiful trim. I think I've received this color trim before, and I used it up right away. I love that. And then I got some flare. I love flare. That's my favorite embellishment. Don't like those little enamel dots, but I love flare. And I think these are from Oasis. I'm not for sure because I got an Oasis kit for a traveler's notebook, and all I got was the 6x6 paper and some puffy stickers, so I didn't get any of this. But I think that's what this is from. But it's great. I love it. All right, this is it. This is all I got, which was wonderful. And I want to thank Christina for putting this together for me. I'll leave a link to her website if you're interested in ordering a kit yourself. There is a Facebook page of the Secret Not Secret Kit Club, and you can. It's a public Facebook page, and then once you become a member, she's got a private page where we have our parties. Anyway, I encourage anyone and everyone to join. It is a very fun group. We're very kind, very loving, full of all kinds of inspiration. There is all different kinds of scrappers. There's brand new ones. There are seasoned ones. I call myself a seasoned one just because I've been doing it for 20 plus years. But it's just a great group of ladies. I call it my sisterhood. Like, she puts together these retreats. She just started doing it, and I'm lucky enough that I'm going on the first retreat, which is going to be is in Southern California in August, and it's already sold out. But the one in Ohio, I think it's in October. I'm not going to that one, so I don't have the dates memorized in my mind. And I don't know if there's any spots open for that, but I know that she's planning on having other retreats as well. And from what I can tell so far, you're not going to not want to go on one. So at least go on one. They're going to be so phenomenal, and they're for 4 nights, not just 3 nights. So anyway, just check out our website, check out our Facebook pages, her Facebook pages. I say ours just because I'm a part of it, because it's a big part of my scrapbook life. Anyway, thanks for listening to me jabber on, and I hope you guys check it out. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.